Tesla ain't gonna get him no win in. They ain't showing him no mercy. I-30, I give it a 6. It ain't hooking like that. If somebody do they burnout, and when they get off their gas, that mug don't say, "Arr!" That bitch don't bark back at you. If it don't bark back at you, then it ain't. That means it's a 7 and under. If it ain't no barking, 7 and under. That's all you gotta do. You ain't gotta argue with nobody. Just say, hey man, let me see you do a burnout. That mug don't hurt. You ain't got nothing else to say. For the win, y'all. Texas Motorplex, man. I think they prep the track. It's too ridiculous. They don't nobody even be complaining. They just start prepping it. They prep the track probably every 13 passes. Like, damn, let them race, bro. Probably. Letting nobody race at Texas Motorplex. They gonna get the track, and then when they finish, it ain't even still a. Sometimes I give them. Sometimes they get it up there in the 7.5, 8 range. They sometimes it too. I give them. Sometimes they be in the 8s. Sometimes. It's a good track, but I don't know. They be sometime it all. Okay. Oh, he stayed on the motor this time. That juice. Yeah, he ain't got his juice tune out here. I knew it was something wrong earlier, cause I seen his fuel pressure. Have you ever big rim the race lookout? Yep. I got some 22s for my Caprice as soon as I get it back out the shop. I'm gonna put them 22s on there and call me somebody else with some rims. I don't think it's gonna be fast like John Boy, but hell, I don't think I'm gonna be the slowest one. Let me see if I'll be able to whoop something like this. Let me look at it. He ain't look all that. I might be able to get him. Yeah, I think. Yeah, it didn't have no juice. I think the old boy got his fuel pressure set wrong on that box. I seen it all over in the 8, 9, 10. It was flickering. I think that's what's wrong with it. I'm gonna let y'all hear that noise. See, it be making this noise. Hear that? Yeah. It just ain't hooking. Ooh, that Pablo walk him down. Oh shit. I got a killer on my live, y'all. He be walking people down. Come on, man. Oh. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win. Let me see what else they got out here, man. Damn, Bojangles, you say they ain't hiring over there, man? I probably need to, man, something stank over here, man. I don't know what they caught on fire over there, but that mug still stinking. Damn. Let's see what else they got back here. Ooh-wee, y'all. It's gonna be one of them nights. Na, 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 na. Racing cars and racing bikes. Look out, look out. It's gonna be one of them nights. Racing cars and racing bikes. I think I seen them race, but they about to do it twice. See, I like the way he got that box shape. Yeah. He got it sagging a little big in the back, but he got it still good enough to still look cool. It ain't that bad. Pablo walking down. Go that GT350. Look at the old boy with that box, man. Let me see what he talking about, man.